Now, the Toyota BJ that laid down that foundation of trust has a direct descendant in the 70 series. And this may be a workhorse, but it's become an icon, the legend itself. And over the years, we've received so many comments from fans on social media pleading with us not to let it go. Don't change a thing, they said. Well, we listened. And today, I'm pleased to reveal that we committed to updating the 70 to keep that legend alive. Well, seeing this refreshed Land Cruiser 70 next to its ancestors, there's no questioning its loyalty to its roots. It's proud to be raw and utilitarian, and under the revised bodywork, we made just the updates functionally necessary. A new, more efficient engine and transmission, and of course, advanced safety features. Now, if the 70 is the essence of Land Cruiser, then the flagship Land Cruiser 300 is definitely the pinnacle.